Everyone, this is KJMO Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get into another reaction video ang mga first runner-ups, should I say, which is Hebron Ekal of The Voice Kids 2024 and also 2024, right? And Chloe Redondo of The Clash season, I forgot, season 6, tama ba? Nonetheless, nevertheless, we will make a reaction video sa kanilang cover song, which is Nieve. I really love this song. Like, I am really a fan of SB19. I am creating content as well sa SB19. So I'm really, really excited. How they will gonna something like enunciate this song? How they will gonna something like deliver this song? This song is really emotional. Parang alam mo yung parang kailangan mo talaga ng mabigat na emotion just to sing this song. So I'm really, really excited. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Gawin na natin to because I'm so excited. Cute ni Hebron. Ganda din ni Chloe. Sayang si Chloe. Hindi naman sasayang, pero magsasign ata siya ng kontrata sa Sparkle according sa source ko. Or nakapag-sign na. Hindi lang ako sure. Niebe. Wow. Vocal prowess. Ganda ng pasok. Grabe yung vibrato niya, no? Narinig mo yung vibrato niya. Ang ganda din ng boses si Chloe, in fairness. Go. Clarity ng boses ni Chloe. Ang ganda. Ganda ng clarity ng boses niya. You can never go wrong din talaga kay Chloe, no? Sayang. Hindi naman siya sayang. Pero nasasayangan talaga ako. Technical kasi nagkamali talaga siya sa introduction niya. That wow. Oh my God, the angst. Ganda nun. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Can we just repeat that part? Vocal prowess talaga ni sino to? Ni Hebron. Yung gigil. The harmonization. The harmonization. Ang ganda ng kanilang ang ganda ng kanilang rendition. Wow. Cutie. Cutie naman nun. Cutie naman. Originally performed by Aspen, Chloe, and Hebron. Samuel pala. Anyways. Thank you guys, that is all for today's video. Parang napatahimik ako for today's video. Kasi I'm familiar with the set song and I just wanna see them, how they were gonna execute that, kung paano nila ilaruin ang kanta, and full of emotions kasi yan. Pero grabe ang gigil dito ni Chloe and Hebron, ramdam na ramdam ko. So yeah, that is all for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!